Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to show you a Windows 10 based desktop app which I personally use to track stocks and investments. Although they are web-based alternatives like Moneycontrol.com, Value Research or Screener, when it comes to ease of use and simplicity, there is no competition to this one. The app that I am talking about is It's MSN Money by Microsoft. So this is a free to use app. It does not have a paid version, and anybody who has a Windows 10 operating system can download and install it. You can get it on the Microsoft Store. You have to just search for MSN Money. I will show you a few basic features of how easy to use this app is, and I am sure you're going to love it. However, before I share that, there are a couple of things I want you to know. If you are a full-time trader who needs to view the stock price action every minute and every second, then this probably is not the app for you. However, if you are an investor like me who wishes to check up on his stocks maybe a couple of times a day or a couple of times per hour, then this is the perfect app. It's more than enough what you will need. Let me take you to the app. So when you click on the icon, you are greeted by this tile theme home screen of the MSN Money app. Why I recommend this app is because this app is really easy to use and really basic in nature. Any beginner or an intermediate level person who is new to the stock markets can use it and also enjoy it. I'll give you a quick overview of the features in the app. Now, in the morning when I have my cup of tea, I wish to take a glance at the world markets. So when you click on the home screen, you can easily navigate to the world market section, and you will be greeted with a screen that shows you the latest level of all the major world indices. If you wish to find more details about these indices, you can click on the name and it will take you to that particular index. Along with the details of the index, it will also show you the latest news from that market. Pretty neat feature, right? After I am done with the world markets, I wish to see our local markets. So all I do is click on the markets tab and I am taken to our local domestic market, our Sensex and Nifty. If you wish to see the individual stocks in the Nifty, you can just click on the name Nifty and it will take you to our local Nifty, and you can also watch the stocks in Nifty by clicking on the top components. It will show you all the movers and shakers in Nifty and their latest price levels for today. So this is updated every minute. It is not second by second. So people who are traders, for them it's a bit of a disappointment. However, me as an investor, it is more than enough, as I don't do minute to minute trading. I just watch my investments every couple of hours or so during the day. So after this, I wish to track the stocks in my portfolio. For this, we have the watchlist section. When I click on watchlist, it takes me to all my investments, that is the stocks which I am personally interested in. So these are the stocks in my watchlist. I wish to see which stock has done very well today. So I can click on this change button and it will sort my stocks based on its performance. You can also sort it based on a symbol, name, price, or the amount it has gone up by. So these are all the stocks in my watch list which I like to keep a track of daily. When you scroll below, you can find all the latest news for the stocks in your watch list. This feature is common across all sections of this app. If you wish to add a stock to your watch list, all you have to do is either click on this plus button, or you can go to the search code section and add the stock. Say I wish to add the stock Tata Motors to my collection or my watch list. All I do is I type Tata Motors. It will show you in the recommendation and I can click on the star button and this stock is now added to my watch list. Again, you can see all the latest news which belongs to Tata Motors when you scroll down. So these were the two main features. Along with this, you also have the currency tracker. If you are someone who likes to travel around, you will definitely find this feature pretty handy. You can see the latest rates for all the major countries in the world. You can change these if you wish, and also if you want to find the rate for a country which is not mentioned in the styles, you can just go to this drop down. This drop down has all the countries that you can possibly expect to find the rates for. So suppose I want to find the rate for Iceland krona, I can just select. So currently one Icelandic krona is equal to 0.59 Indian rupees. And the last feature that this app has is the mortgage calculator. So if you're planning to take a new home loan or a car loan or a personal loan, you can actually calculate the interest yourself before the banks tell you what your EMI is going to be. So say I wish to take a loan of 25 lakh rupees for a brand new home, and the loan fees is 30,000, and the annual interest in India currently is 6.7%. So I will enter those details. The tenure, I wish for it to be around 20 years. Now when I click on the calculate button, you can see that it shows you to pay off a loan of 25 lakh in 20 years at an annual interest rate of 6.7%. Your monthly payment would be 19,000 rupees. The total amount you will end up paying for a loan of 25 lakhs is 45 lakhs 98,000, and the interest will be 20 lakhs 68,000. So these are the only features of the app, but it is more than enough for me on a day-to-day basis, and this is really easy to use. Anybody can use it, whether you are old or young, and especially I recommend this app for beginners in stock markets. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll get back to you with many more. Thank you.